Tear down the walls I've built up, every wall I've built up, every wall I've built up. For you deserve every piece of my heart, every piece of my heart, every piece of my heart. Lord, I am trusting that you are a faithful Father, and all that you have, it is good. You're a generous giver, your love's like no other. Won't you come and break through to me over and over and over again? I am bringing my heart to you with open hands. Closer and closer, you're drawing me in as the depths of my heart lay before you again. So come, tear down the walls I've built up, every wall I've built up, every wall I've built up. For you deserve every piece of my heart, every piece of my heart, every piece of my heart. For I am thine, O Lord, I have heard thy voice, and it told thy love to me. But I long to rise in the arms of faith and be closer drawn to thee. So draw me nearer, nearer, blessed Lord, to the cross where thou hast died. Draw me nearer, blessed Lord, to thy precious bleeding side. There are depths of love that I cannot know till I cross the narrow sea. There are heights of joy that I may not reach till I rest in peace with thee. So draw me nearer, blessed Lord, to the cross where thou hast died. Draw me nearer, blessed Lord, to thy precious bleeding. Come, tear down the walls I've built up, every wall I've built up, every wall I've built up. For you deserve every piece of my heart, every piece of my heart, every piece of my heart. So come, tear down the walls I've built up, every wall I've built up, every wall I've built up. For you deserve every piece of my heart, every piece of my heart, every piece of my heart. Come, tear down the walls I've built. Come, tear down the walls I've built. Come, tear down the walls I've built.